So if you're watching this, head over to Campsite12 on Instagram, you gotta follow. Head over to TikTok and follow Campsite12. And then also give us a like. I always get hundreds of views and thousands of views, and the likes do not match up. You're watching it, so why not take 2 seconds just to press like? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Campsite12, the man with the master plan. Today is a different type of video. I'm not out driving with the POV. Or I'm not driving someone else's car. But today it's more of a what should I do to this Q50. As you can tell from the previous videos, I have not modded this car much besides the spoiler. All right guys, the spoiler's on. It doesn't look half bad. So what I did, and the exhaust. The reason being is, I'm not sure if I should keep the Q50 and move on to buying project cars and building those up to like how I pictured this channel, or if I should keep it and start doing simple mods like tunes and things like that. The only downfall is I already have a warranty on this car, so why void the warranty trying to do tunes when I could possibly get rid of the car, buy a project car, tune that to my liking, and then take it roll racing, track racing, drifting, whatever I like to do. I want to bring way different content to the channel. However, with that, I need to grow the channel. So we're almost to 500 subscribers. If you're watching this, give it a like. You don't have to subscribe, just give this a simple like. Now, I'm gonna talk about the direction of the channel and which way I would like to go. Currently, there's not really too much going on with the channel besides Q50 content. However, I've been looking for E36 BMW coupes. A sedan would be nice, but coupes in the area from the year 92 to about 98. My ultimate plan is to get an E36 BMW coupe, fix it up, and maybe next year throw a turbo on it and just have fun in like the 300 to 400 horsepower range with a car like that. I also want a manual because I feel like manual cars are so much better to drive and they're so much funner to drive. So here's a quick walk around again of the Q50. As you see, the spoilers on the back. There's no rims on the car. Like I said, I haven't been thinking about highly modifying this car due to the fact I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it or not, or if I wanna keep it, because they're offering good prices for cars right now. I could essentially literally get the money back that I spent on this car already. And that's pretty wild. But yeah, she's still stock for the most part, dirty. It's been raining like non-stop. And I also work a lot. So the days I am off and it starts raining, it's kind of like just go in the house. Like, don't even worry about it. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. I have not quit YouTube. I've just been working a lot lately. So with that being said, the next event I will take the Q50 to will be the T&E Promotions drag racing event here at Ennis, Texas on January 15th. It's a big street car style event. There's already trash talk going on. I believe Midnight Performance is going to be there. Murder TV is going to be there from Twitch. Lookout Racing, I believe Boosted Lucille. All the people, like I said, all the YouTubers that race are more than likely going to be there next week. And I will have the Q50 at the track next week. No, I'm not saying I'll race it, but it will be at the track. So be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and that content's going to be awesome. I'm thinking about borrowing a camera for that. Got a new GoPro. I'm going to try to mount that on somebody's car if they let me. So now I have 2 GoPros, could probably mount multiple cars. But until next time, I really appreciate you guys for staying tuned. I'm telling you, once I find a BMW or something similar, I believe this channel is going to take off. I know the content's kind of boring right now, but once I find something, I believe this channel is going to take off. Until next time, Campsite12, and I'm out.